Okay. Really, our house is a mess. All our stuff that was over here is just over there. Y'all can't see it.
Right here. You know what's the most important?
The internet's fake.
Thank you.
Happy Prime Day. What y'all buying? Happy Prime Day.
All husbands crying.
Yeah, that's it. Darren got it. Happy Prime Day. What y'all buying? Happy Prime Day.
All the husbands crying.
Hey y'all. Whoa. Hey y'all, welcome back. Today is Prime Day, and if you're like me, you're probably sipping your coffee on your laptop, on your phone, just checking out all the good Amazon deals. So today I thought I would share with y'all my top 10 favorite kitchen products. All of these things are super budget friendly. All of them I purchased with my own money, and most of them I use every day. So let's get into my top 10 favorites. So I'm gonna count down from 10 to 1, with number 1 being my favorite most used kitchen products. So let's go number 10. Number 10 are these freezer bag holders. When you're doing your freezer meals, these are perfect. They sit right on your counter. You put your little baggie in there and you can just dump everything right in. It basically acts as another set of hands to help you. Makes it go super quick, super mess free. I love these. Happy Prime Day, what y'all buying? Happy Prime Day, bank account crying. Number 9 are these reusable can lids. We are all the time buying soda cans, and I don't drink the whole thing at one time. I've been using these forever. You just put them right on top and you can open them without having to, you know, take the whole thing off. It keeps your soda fresh, or whatever is an aluminum can. Y'all are gonna love these. The other day I was at my mom's and she was like, Jen, I found this new really cool thing. It's these little can lids you can use for your sun drops, sodas, beer, whatever you wanna use. And I said, Mom, I've been using those for years. I love them. They're so cheap. You get $1 million of them in a pack. Get you some. All right, the next couple things I included in one for number 8, and it is any sort of little Kitchenaid utensil. And these two are my favorites. I just got this one the other day. Our other can opener died, so I got a Kitchenaid, and it just runs so much more smoothly. It just cuts the can like butter. It's awesome. So you really can't go wrong with Kitchenaid. But then also my little veggie peeler. It is so sharp. It will peel anything super easily. Will also peel your fingers if you're not careful. So this one is definitely not for kids. It just works awesome, and I always reach for this thing. All right, number 7 is this Veggie Chopper. I'm sure if you've been on YouTube, you have seen people using this. This is so awesome if you hate cutting a lot of veggies or you have a lot to cut at a time. So everything comes all together like this. It has these little attachments that you can make zoodles as well. You can do the sliced ones or just the ones that do like the little, what does this even call it? The little zucchini ribbons. So you can do more of a dice, or you can do more of a chop with this. So I'll show y'all how it works. You basically just put your onion, your carrots, whatever it is on top of there that you need to chop, and you just press down the handle and boom, you chop your whole onion or carrot or whatever in one motion. Makes it super easy. It makes meal prep a breeze. And then everything is just collected in the bottom of your container. You can just move it to something else and you are done. You are good to go. Happy Prime Day, what y'all buying? Happy Prime Day, bank account crying. Number 6, we have these cutting boards, and it comes in a set of 3. Our biggest one is dirty right now, but y'all literally see me use these all the time. You probably see me use all this stuff all the time. It truly is my favorite things, but these are cheap. They work. I believe they come in several different colors. You really can't have enough cutting boards, especially when you're making whole meals or meal prep or anything like that. If you need some new cutting boards, these are the way to go. All right, number 5, and then we're gonna come up on my most favorite things, and those truly are, I use them all the time. But number 5, as silly as this looks and sounds, it is a spoon rest. And I can't tell you how many times we use a paper plate, a regular plate, or just get sauce everywhere. This is so awesome. This is so cheap, something you would never think you need, but then after you have it, you're like, where has this been all my life? These are so cheap on Amazon. I'm gonna link them for you. You just put them beside whatever you're cooking, and then you put your spoon, sneak peek, or whatever it is, and it just holds it just like that. You can hold several in a row beside it, and it's awesome. It just keeps your counter clean, and I love it. Number 4 are these collapsible colanders. These, seriously, I love them. I had one for, how many years did I have that green one? I don't even know, but
5011.
I had it 50-11 years. That's exactly right. I used it so much that it finally got a hole in it, and I just ordered me a new set the other day, and I am so happy. So this is the big one. It comes in a set of 3. The sides open up like this, and it fits in your sink, so you can drain your pasta, you can put your produce in there when you're rinsing it, anything like that. So this is the big one. And like I said, they're collapsible, so they just push down. That makes them super easy to store. We actually store our cutting boards and colanders, everything in a drawer all together like that. Also, if you're short on space, if you have a small kitchen with not a lot of storage, or if you go camping like we do, these are perfect. You need anything that's collapsible if that's the case, and definitely colanders are one of them. And then, like I said, it comes with two more sizes. You can never have enough colanders. Again, how many times do you drain your pasta and then you go to drain your meat or your salad or whatever it is, and you need another one and you don't feel like washing it? Well, you got 2 more in this set.
3 more.
3 more.
That's 2.
But wait.
But wait, there's more. They're so collapsible, y'all. You don't even know how many you get.
You don't even know.
They're so collapsible, you can't even see them. So you get 4 in a set. So awesome. This is the infamous YouTube cheese grater. And y'all, I've told y'all I do not fall for gadgets, but this seriously is that good. I had another one from QVC. It broke. I've had this one for Amazon for quite a while now, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. It still works perfectly. So basically, I'm gonna show y'all it as well, but it just suctions to your counter so it's not sliding all over the place. You can grate cheese with it. You can do vegetables, potatoes, make homemade hash browns, anything like that. And then it comes with 3 different blades. This one is the one I use all the time. It's just your thick cut cheese grater. That's what I call it. That's what I use it for. And then it does come with the fine grater that looks like that as well.
Fancy cheese.
That's so fancy cheese. When you want to be fancy, this kind of don't melt good. You gotta get that fat cheese. And then it has this one as well that slices. Super affordable. Amazon also has these in several different colors as well. So like I said, if you don't have one, you should get one. Let me also add that I used to have one of these little cheese grater attachments for our big KitchenAid mixer. And who wants to get that big thing out every time you want to cut cheese? Bye. All right, my next favorite thing, dish gloves. This is something y'all have also probably seen me using on my channel a million times, and I've went through so many sets of these. They do last for a while, but I just use them every single day. And the reason I love them is because they are fleece lined, so it doesn't feel, you know, your hands don't get all sweaty when you're washing dishes because it's that plastic. And they come up super far, so it, you know, keeps your arm nice and clean and dry. They come in a set of 2, and I believe you can get blue and pink or pink and green. That's the one I had last time. All super cute. I think they have different sizes, and I just keep a stock of these because I love them. They're awesome. I've tried to buy ones from stores like TJ Maxx and things like that, but they're super hard to find with the fleece on the inside, and for that price. Happy Prime Day, what y'all buying? Happy Prime Day, bank account crying. And my #1 product is this mix and chop. This is actually from Pampered Chef, but I know Amazon has them, and I know they're way cheaper. But y'all, just buy the Amazon brand. They work just as well. They're the exact same thing, and they're a whole lot cheaper. So both of those are on there, but just get the Amazon one. Y'all are gonna love it. I use this to, you know, of course, brown ground beef or taco meat, spaghetti. You can use this in your crock pot when you cook chicken to shred it up. But it's seriously, it's called a mix and chop because you can use it for everything. All right, y'all, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this crazy video, but what can I say? I love Amazon. It makes me crazy. I love to go shopping. So make sure you check those links below. I'm gonna link everything for you, and these are affiliate links. I don't want you guys to ever feel pressured to use those links or buy anything that I ever talk about here on my channel. Just know that when you do, it really is appreciated, and it really does help me to keep providing content for y'all here on my channel. So happy shopping. I hope y'all are having a good week, and I will see y'all real soon in my next video. Bye, y'all.